Justin, J. Howell Custom Home Builder. Welcome back to our Valley View house. Today we're going to take a quick look at cabinets. So we're now in the kitchen of the Valley View house. You're seeing the kitchen behind me. We don't have countertops on yet, and we purposely have you here at this point in time to talk about cabinets before countertops, because you can take a better look at construction of the cabinets without countertops in place. So looking behind me, you'll notice that we have different finishes on the cabinets. We have a painted cabinet over here, which will be above the range, or the cooktop rather. And then over on this side where the fridge is located, we have a stain grade cabinet, and that's stained. So something that's basically taken over the market is what's called a Eurobox, or a full access cabinet. You'll notice here that there's no face frame on these cabinets. You gain a little bit more cabinet space and accessible space not having that face frame. Everything that we do all has soft closed doors and drawers. And then if you come around here, we can actually look at a drawer bank. So there's drawers here. And this is, again, soft closed drawers. See, I can slam that and it closes slowly and softly. But just to get a better look at the construction of a cabinet, you'll notice that we have 3/4 inch panels. So the sides are all 3/4 inch. This is a particle board cabinet. It's not a plywood. Again, a little bit of a price difference. We try to be cost effective when we can. But because it's a Eurobox, you'll notice that there's no, this panel over top, which is actually called a stretcher, is not full. So it's open here. The countertop will sit on top of this, will bear down on the sides of the cabinets, which will then transfer that load into the floor. Over here, we have the dishwasher opening. So that's 24 inches to fit a standard dishwasher. This is the kitchen sink location, so that'll get cut out as needed for the sink. And typically we do an undermount sink incorporated into our countertops. In this case, we're using quartz on this house. On the perimeter, we have a built-in range hood that's here. You'll notice the opening here. That will be where the cooktop slides into this space here. There's gas and electric that are located in behind the drawers of this cabinet. Those will all be hooked up. Likely we'll end up modifying and reducing the size of this drawer so that we have ample clearance. Something we do quite often when we have gas and electrical hookups behind a drawer. This is where we'll have the built-in microwave, built-in oven. You can see the wiring sticking out for those. That'll all get buttoned up behind those appliances. But then we have a slide-in fridge that will go here, slide in, and then this is all sized appropriately for that. Of course, electrical for the fridge. And then otherwise, this is, although we do have a pantry, this is essentially a pantry as well, or a hutch. And as you can see, all of this is designed with our homeowners and my designer. We have shelving on this side and then slide out trays on this side. So welcome to the primary bathroom. Right away, you'll probably notice it's got a different door style, or in this case, a different drawer style. So this is a flat panel, but then it has this frame that runs around it. Something you'll also notice about this vanity is that we have a floating vanity. So there's no toe kick. It's actually fully open underneath. Check this out. So this drawer pulls out. Standard drawer, right? But then it has a U shape. This is actually called a U drawer. That allows for the water line to come through and for the P-trap to live. Something to know here, something you'll see, and we've talked about previously, all throughout my job sites. Here's our standard spec form. All of our finishes, locations, where they go, a link typically and description of what they are, color, and then a photo off to the side. You'll see that throughout all of my job sites. We provide our contractors with those just so they know what they're installing, where, and how we want it. alleviates a lot of those phone calls and questions for me, and just keeps us, accurate to the overall design. Overall, we try to provide a really custom cabinet, but we're also always cognizant of cost, and whatever fits the homeowner's needs, budget, and design comes first.